welcome to our new show about floods. My name is Persia. In today's news, floods. What are floods? They are moving water that reaches land. Floods happen when there is too much water. Water covers dry land that is dry. What causes floods? Too much snow melting can cause a flash flood. Too much rain can cause a flash flood. A dam or levee breaking can cause a flood. Staying safe. Be in high places during a flood. Use bottled water. Listen to the flood warning. Fun facts. Hurricanes blow water onto land to start a flood. Stay safe. From Brimhall News, this is Persia signing off.